G'day legends, Tom Robb, Life is the Way, and welcome to the very first episode of Life is the Way TV. How good? So good! This is my very first vlog ever, and I'm so stoked to just invite you all in a whole lot closer. The essence of this is to document the journey, inspire people to do the things that inspire them, so follow your heart, dare to dream, make your passion your paycheck, or however that looks to you, and then finally, at the very least, just to put a smile on your dial. For those that have followed for the last 4 or 5 years on other platforms, thanks so much. Your support means everything and I wouldn't be here without you. And for those that are joining for the very first time, welcome aboard. My name is Tom Robb. Enjoy the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next week. Thanks everyone. You. I travel around Australia doing motivational talks for high school students and sustainable groups, and I sell coffee out of my combi van. Pay what you feel the service is worth, pay what you feel the coffee was worth.
How's the service?
Pretty good I reckon. 60 smiles an hour if you ask me.
Oh.
I run yoga sessions, do a bit of busking and some mentoring. So,
and that's
yeah.
your job?
And that's my job. So, I'll show you what just happened. My roof isn't on my car because while I was driving, it flew off. And landed over here in the bushes. Bugger! That sucks. And it's heavy, and I've got no rope. If anyone's got any bright ideas, give me a buzz. That'd be great. I'll keep you posted on how I go fixing this thing. Hope it doesn't rain. Bye! Got to try something, don't we? And the roof's back on, which is awesome. So the roof is back on. The roof is back on. We don't need a new one cause we fixed it by ourselves. Roof back on. Roof. G'day folks, Tom Robb here, and this is Roger and Don. And as you saw, our roof went flying off the other day, and these lovely gentlemen are going to help us put on a new one. So let's get to it, eh boys?
Let's go. Let's go. Let's do it. Combi rescue.
You.
Well, they bruise and peel most every day, but that doesn't stop me from picking away at this broken bedroom.
Look at this! So much more room for extra activities. Thanks so much, Roger, Don and Wendy. This is sick. And we have a sunroof. Woo-hoo! So So the way this all began is I had a dream to travel Australia in my combi van running my high school presentations on healthy decision making, but also alongside that to sell pay what you feel donation sustainably made coffee out of my combi van. I had a sustainable press, a hand grinder and a milk frother that sat on my stove, and then 50 books on self-development that were laid out, you know, on a picnic rug, which is why it was called Mindfulness Coffee. And for me, life has always been so flat chat, you know, it's just fast-paced, go, go, go. And this was about slowing down. It was about creating an environment where people could feel safe and comfortable to come along, grab a coffee, and essentially just relax for a couple of minutes, take the time out of their day to sit down, read a book, talk to me, or even just spark up a conversation with somebody else that might have been around them at that time. So Mindfulness Coffee was a blast, and this is where it took us. What up, crew? Welcome to Mindfulness Coffee at Shelley Beach. Hey, Kels, check out the view. Son, lucky for you, we got coffee on the go. Loo nearby, because it'll make you do a poo. Coffee poo.
Yo.
Made fresh from hand pressed with a press by hand. Coffee's here from Byron Bay, so come on down and have a lay.
Yeah, basically, I get itchy feet. You know, if I stay in the one place for too long, there's a sense of restlessness. And, you know, really it's like I'm consistently just dancing on this line of the known and the unknown. And the known is good to be in that comfort bubble and know what's going on, but the unknown is where it's at. If you just had all the answers and knew where you were going, then, wow, that would be super exciting, would it? But to not know what's coming up or what's around the next corner, there's actually a sense of magic. It's slightly scary, isn't it? You know, it's like people say that you have to be lost before you can be found. That's adventure. So I met Lucinda, my 1974 combi van, 9 years ago in Freo. She's actually caught fire, had 3 engine rebuilds, plenty of breakdowns, and ticked over 1.6 million K. And yeah, you know, she had a couple of rust holes and a few imperfections, but she also had and has character and soul, and she is my companion into the unknown. I've literally driven these coastal roads thousands of times before, but sometimes I'm just drawn to make a wrong turn and see where I end up. And now Lucinda and I find ourselves 5 minutes from my favourite surf break, driving through the snow, and it's absolutely puking. This is what life's all about. How good.
What's going on, Froth Monsters? So we're en route to Byron Bay, and I want to tell you guys something. You know, we had a couple of hiccups over the last sort of 32 hours with like buggered headlights and little oil leaks, and this morning I dropped my phone in my car, in my van down like a little slit like this, and this guy helped me out to get it. The other guy, Ardo, helped me get my headlights working. My oil seems fine, and I feel like, you know, you don't lose, you learn. That's probably like my life lesson for today. If everything that happens in life, even the crummy things, if you can try and grow from those experiences and take away something from them, then you're going to realise that, you know, failure isn't really a thing. It's just another opportunity to grow. So I just thought I'd put that out there. Anyway, it's pretty hot, so I made this out of my shirt so I don't get sunburnt because my driving arm's just getting roasted. Anyway, that's me. Hope you're having fun in the sun. Much love, lovers. Ow, ow!
Duck dive laps. Your legs, your arms, and your body weight. Ready?
What's he do? Just like stays and
I think he just duck dives and
he's
then
not even moving, is he?
starts swimming.
And he says something like duck dive laps.
Nailed it.
Hey there folks, Tom Robb from Life is the Way here, and Merry Saturday to you. We just thought we'd do a quick update. Massive thanks to Newcastle, Lisa and Nikki for your respective yoga spaces and allowing us to use those. That was Yoga Life and Yoga for All, so we had a mad time running some sessions there. We're just in Barrel at the moment at a best mate's house, Zach, for a quick pop in before going to Jervis Bay. And as you can see, he has kindly shaved off my beard, leaving us with some designer stubble, and then also no eyebrows, none. So which is a real shame, because now I can't look surprised anymore, or even concerned for that matter. So we'll have to get him back for that one there. Anyway, we are on our way to Jervis Bay, so we'll try and do some coffees and some yoga, and everything should be fun. So stay tuned and we'll keep you posted. But in the meantime, have a good one. Happy Mother's Day, Mum.
You're the best mum ever.
And big love, happy Mother's Day to everyone else.
Absolutely ridiculous and disgusting.
That changed face season 4.
The name's Sebastian, and I work as a nurse.
I see trees of green, red roses too. I see them bloom for me and you, and I think to myself, what a wonderful world. I see clouds of blue.
You are